welcome back to the channel. We are the Scenic Way. I'm Jonathan, this is Crescenda Kim. In this video, we're gonna be showing off some cool waterfalls along Highway 138 in Oregon. So you're gonna wanna stick around and always take the Scenic Way. Let's get it. We're gonna be going to the Susan Creek Falls on this Highway 138 adventure. Right now it's pouring rain, but we love the rain, so it won't faze us too much.
I actually wanted to do this little adventure in the rain, and seems like it worked out.
The trail to the waterfall is not too bad either. It's like probably 15 minutes tops, and it's really easy to find. Guys, Susan Creek Falls. Really nice. The trail here is pretty easy. Anyone can do it. It's a beautiful waterfall. There's a trail that takes you to the bottom of the waterfall. Wow. If you guys haven't been here, I highly recommend you come to Oregon. There's nothing like exploring out here in the rain. It's exactly what we wanted. Nature, rain, and waterfalls. Watson Falls, another waterfall that we're going to hit up on Highway 138. It's supposed to be an easier one, which is something that I really like.
Well, they've all been kind of easy. We're just out of shape.
Yeah, probably.
After the stairs, the trail continues across the street. So don't just think that you're like at a dead end. I like how this trail is very lush green, and it doesn't look like the fires affected it too much.
Yeah.
Whew. But it is definitely another incline hike. There's a little fall over here.
Oh.
Wow.
Ooh. This is amazing. Damn. Watson Falls. Whoa! Holy cow. This one takes the cake, guys. This is an amazing waterfall. And the hike wasn't so bad, right?
No, but you gotta be careful if you're coming in the rain because you might slip.
But guys, this is amazing. I can stay here all day.
We're on the Toketee Falls Trail. It's a nice mossy little trailhead so far.
And it says that it's half a mile one way, so it's only a 1 mile full trip.
Nice.
Not too bad.
The trail to this fall is pretty well paved, but it also has a lot of steps.
This is the Toketee waterfall here in Oregon.
Have you guys ever been to this waterfall before? Let us know.
Yeah, let us know in the comments.
If you haven't, it should definitely be on your list.
All right, guys. See you guys at the next waterfall. Peace. That's probably one of my favorite waterfalls on Highway 38. And this is the Toketee project.
The pipeline?
Yeah, it's a pipeline on this Toketee project, which is right over here.
Holy crap.
That is crazy. Whitehorse Falls, guys. So freaking cool. We've been to this waterfall once before, but we've never captured it. It's the first time we're capturing this waterfall. Fire, right?
Yeah. I think it could be also a, what's it called? Like a swimming hole in summertime.
It is in the summertime,
But there's like a little area over here where you can walk down. And then if you wanted to swim in there, of course, when it's warmer, you could. You could feel the mist here. Imagine those people up there. And our favorite part about it is there's no hiking.
There's no hiking involved with this one, guys.
This is literally like a 10-step down from the parking lot.
Yeah. Once you park, it's right there. And they even have a viewpoint up here. We have stopped at Clearwater Falls. This one's also really easy.
We have the falls all to ourselves.
Yeah, perfect. We got the waterfall to ourselves. I'm excited to see this waterfall.
This one is also a campground as well. So
it's a campground too?
Horsetail Falls is a campground and the Clearwater.
Got it, got it.
Damn. Ooh, look at it. You get to go through like this.
Oh.
It's not a cave. What would you call that?
That's sort of like a cave.
Woo.
That's pretty dope.
Now we're really on an adventure.
Yeah, I know, for real.
Ooh, look at all those mushrooms.
Sheesh.
I don't think we've ever been in a trail where you have to go through rocks like this.
This is so cool.
It's tight. The hike to Fall Creek Falls is 3/4 of a mile, guys, but it definitely feels a lot longer.
A lot longer, for real.
It's very high and incline. A lot of poison oak out here, guys. We can see the fall in the distance, finally. Whew.
We made it to Fall Creek Falls here at 138. The fall says only 3/4 of a mile, but it feels a lot longer than that. And it's still pouring. Good morning. We're doing waterfalls for breakfast today. We're at Salt Creek Falls here on Highway 58. It's not technically on 138, but it's still in the vicinity on the Williamette Highway. Very easy access. All you do is park and you're there. You can't miss it. Now this is how you get your morning started. All right, so now we're gonna go upstairs to check out the other point of view of this waterfall.
This is the Swift Water Day Use area on the Umpqua Highway. So beautiful. There's people fishing over here for trout.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I think it tells you over here what kind of fish are.
Yeah, they have a lot of salmon over here. The Chinook salmon, coho salmon, and they have rainbow trout.
So if you guys like fishing, this place doesn't look too shabby. That is Deadline Falls over there. It's a little fall, nothing too crazy. It's starting to rain.
Ooh! So this is definitely the spot you want to come and catch some salmon, because we just see plenty of salmon jumping out of the water.